Okay, so today we are going to talk about Vice President. Vice President is the second highest person of the India after President. In the Indian Constitution under Article 63, it is mentioned that there should be a Vice President in India. And under Article 64, it is mentioned that under Vice President should be the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. If I talk about the election process of the Vice President, then it is conducted by the Electoral College, which consists the members of the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. If I talk about the removal of the Vice President, then he is removed by the resolution passed by the Rajya Sabha, and there should be also Lok Sabha should also be agreed with this resolution. If I talk about the eligibility to be a Vice President of India, then one must be an Indian citizen. He must have completed 35 years of the age, and there should not be any criminal charges against him. And if I talk about the powers of the Vice President, then there is very less power in comparison to Vice President of the India. So he has the first and foremost power is he is the ex officio chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. Like if he controls the rules and regulations of the Rajya Sabha, and second most powerful position he holds that if in absence of president, if in any unfortunate situation, if the president dies and he is removed by any condition, then Vice President should act as a president of the India. So yeah, that's it for the